Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Dr. Labib from Dr. Labib Academy. Okay. Today we are going to have on ACCA EF6 UK taxation. I am repeatedly writing this in every other video so that you should have very clear thought about what we are doing. Finance Act 2022. It is valid till March 2024 exams. The first thing I will write is this because you should have that clarity. I kindly request you all to subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and make sure that people should reach out and watch this channel. It will help them in the examinations. And you do your preparation apart from this. But when we are doing this, it makes really interesting and value added. So I kindly request you all to subscribe to this channel, please. Share this channel. Make your comments, that's very important. Positive, something for improvements. I want comments for improvements, that's very much important. Okay, so that how best I can improve and make things easy for the students. And see the video till the end, and if you like it, press the like button. Okay, yes, that's good. Coming back to this, this is the question related to section C. Okay, section C, this is for 10 marks. You already know that you have 3 questions, 2 questions for 15 marks each and 1 question for 10 marks. Okay, it's easy, it's not difficult. Fine. First and foremost, you should know what are the requirements. My approach is very, very clear. By the time we read the requirements, we know how we have to approach the question as such. Calculate Ethel's tax adjusted trading profit for the year ended, assuming she opts to prepare accounts using the cash basis and HMRC flat rate expenses adjustment. These are the keywords. We have to do on the cash basis, means if you have paid cash, it has to be considered. If you have not paid cash, it should not be considered. Very simple approach. Okay. Your answer should be supported with brief notes to explain how you have treated the transactions 1 and 4. Means you have to write the note also. Is it right? A brief note. How many marks are there? 6 marks. You should ignore VAT. The second one is calculate Ethel's tax adjusted trading profit for the year ended using the accrual basis. Okay, I think we are doing this is the second one we are doing. Okay, I am doing in a sequence way. Okay, so I will not jump the things to the extent possible. If it is there, I will. Now, what we have to do? We have to calculate Ethel's. Is it Ethel Brown? Point question number A. Is it Ethel Brown? Ethel Brown. Fine. Ethel Brown. Tax adjusted trading profit. Tax adjusted trading profit on cash basis. Fine, on the cash basis as such. Now, Ethel Brown started to run a small bed and breakfast business as a sole trader on 6th April. She prepared the 6th April, beginning of the tax year. Is that her first accounts for the year to 5th April 2000? Nothing very straightforward. Yeah, year to year, point to point. She has read about the cash basis accounting of HMR and HMRC flat rate expenses, which are intended to simplify tax accounting for small businesses. That's great, is it? That's great. You know the concept of you have that understanding about the cash basis accounting, is it right? What it says is that cash basis. What is the revenue limit on the cash basis accounting? The revenue limit is that the revenue limit on cash basis accounting is how much? Basis accounting is how much? It is 150,000 pounds. Okay, 150,000 pounds. The way it will be done, hopefully, see, I will not, but I can assure you that you once you are going through this video, you don't need any revision also. Okay, that much I will make sure it will happen. In the year 5th April, she has following transactions. Ethel's earned income 74,500 during the year. 10,000 of the income is still outstanding. Is it? When you are talking in terms of income, is it right? Revenue. How much? Cash basis. We have to take only the cash basis as such. Is it right? 74,500 minus 10,000. Is it right? How much will come? 64,500. Is it right? Next. Payment of 25,000 respect to food utilities and other all. She lives in part of the bed and breakfast premises with a husband and 2 children. 35% of the food utilized and other households related to private use. Fine. See, 35%. This is very important one. See, 35% is for private. The HMRC flat rate private use adjustments. If you are talking about HMRC flat rate private use adjustments, it is going to be related to the cash basis, whereas 35% is related to accrual basis. This is the basic difference which it has to be identified. Okay. Now, less. Food, how much? Food utilities. Is it right? Food utilities. How much is the food utilities? They say it is going to be 25,000. How much is applicable flat rate system? Flat rate is how much? Flat rate basis. How much is the HMRC? How much they have fixed? Is it right? HMRC fixed as 7,800. How much is the difference? Difference is 7. How much they can deduct? They can deduct how much? It is only 70. Means because personal use we should not take into consideration. We have to write the total payments are 25,000. Flat rate private adjustment is 7,500 and to be added to the trading profits. Now, how much you have to take net deduction? Net deduction is going to be 17,200. Right? Next, on June 1st, paid Ethel card 14,000. Paid a car dealer to 40 and a check for a car CO2 emission of 140 grams. 40 grams means immediately how much we have to make sure that if it is going to be allowances, it is going to be 18%. Okay. She also made payments totaling 3,000 related to running cost of the car for the. She used the car 40% of the time for private use. How many miles she has drove? See, what happens when the value of the car totaling how much? 14,000 plus 3,000. Is it right? 14,000 are then is not deductible. Is it right? Is not deductible, and capital allowance is also not help. Here what we are going? We are going to pay. We are going to pay the mileage cost only. Okay, less. Is it? We are going to pay only mileage. Okay, I will write here only. Okay, how much is there? 10,000. Is it 10,000 times 0.45, 1,000 times 0.25. Is that we know the things? Is it right? It comes to how much? It comes to 4,500. It comes to 250. Okay, it comes to 250. 4,750. Is it? Now, on March 3, 23, acquired an item of kitchen equipment on credit terms. We are talking about the cash. Okay, this is on credit. She paid when she paid next year. If she has paid next year, they can obtain the deduction in the following year, not in the current year. But we have to write equipment. The equipment. How much? Equipment is 0. How much it will come? 64,500 minus 17,200 minus 4,750, 0. It comes to 0, 5, 5, 2 and 4. Tax adjusted trading profit. Okay, tax adjusted trading. Now what they are asking? They are asking us to write the notes. Is it right? You should answer supported with the brief notes to explain point number 1. Is it? Point number 1. We write 10,000 excluded from the revenue as Ethel using cash basis accounting. Simple words. Don't make anything complicated. Okay? Now, from the total amount of 25,000 to be deducted, the net deduction should be 25,000 minus 7,800. How much? 17,200. Because flat rate private use adjustment. This is more than enough. You can write in your own words. Okay, there you can write in your own words. Okay, next. The car value and running cost of 14,000 plus 3,000. Is it 14,000 are not deductible? Hence, all capital allowance is also not allowed. Then what we are doing? We are instead of instead of mileage allowance, instead of is allowed. Fine. Point number 4. The what they say, the kitchen equipment purchased on credit terms, hence it is allowable in the year, in the following year 5th April 2024. Okay, this much you have to write. Simple way of understanding and simple way of making presentation. Fine. Cash basis. Okay, next. Coming back to the accrual basis. Fine. Coming back on the point number B, accrual basis. Accrual basis is very simple. Both are simple. It's not difficult at all. See, taxation paper is comparatively easy. Okay, comparison 74,500. Accrual basis. Write down the thing. I didn't write. Tax adjusted trading profits. My handwriting is not that much good, okay? Trading profits. Is it tax adjusted trading profit on accrual basis? Fine. Revenue. Next. Less food utilities. Any doubt, anything is there, you make sure that write it in a comment section, okay? I need something which I need to improve. That's very important, okay? 65%. It comes to 16,250. Sometimes I will make mistakes also, okay? I'm not going to say that I am that much perfect, okay? I'm trying my best. I will try my best not to do any error, okay? Hopefully. Fine. Next, food utilities, okay? Next, less car running cost, okay? Car running cost. How much is there? The operating cost is how much? 3,000. 60%. 40% used for private use. 60% for official use. Okay. 1,800. Is that equipment? Definitely. Equipment is equipment. Now here the equipment rule changes. Okay. Here equipment rule changes. It is an allowance. Is right? It is an allowance. What will happen? You will get 100% deduction. Okay. Equipment. How much is there? See. Now I will write here. Is that? I will write here with respect to working capital, working, okay? Capital allowance. The capital. See, you have that main pool. Is it right? We have that main pool. You have that private use. Is it? Private use, you have the allowance. Okay, next. How much they have purchased the car? 1 to 50 grams. Is it right? How much is there? What is the emission? It is 40 grams. Is it right? What is the emission? It is 40 grams. 14,000. Okay. Next, how much is the equipment? Equipment is how much? Equipment additions. Okay. Addition. Equipment is how much? 350. You will get annual investment allowance. Okay. Annual investment allowance is how much? 350. 350. Okay. Annual investment allowance is 350. Now it is because of 1 to 40%, 40 grams. The return down allowance will be how much? 18%. Fine. Return down allowance will be how much? 18%. 18% of 14,000. Is it right? How much it will come? 1 minute. 14,000 times 18%. Okay. 2,000. See, I will write here. Is it? 14,000 times 18%. It comes to 2,520 times how much? 60%. Is it? Times 60%. It comes to 1512. Okay, 1512. Here it will be 0. It will be how much? It will be 11,480, and it will be how much? 2,681, 1862. Okay, it is how much? 1862. Now the capital allowance is how much? The capital allowance is 1862. If you put the total, is it right? 2663. Fine. If you take it, this is the less. Okay, this is the less. If you take it, it comes to 8,5,5,4,5. Okay, this is tax adjusted. This is tax adjusted trading profit as per accrual basis. Okay, as per accrual basis. Fine. Next, are you clear about this? Very simple way of understanding and how it can be done. Okay, you can have the thing on the cash basis and accrual basis. You can score marks very easily and very specifically. Okay, this is question point B. Okay, this is point A. Fine. Are you clear about this? Is it? Next, hopefully we will come up. Okay, because I'm doing for F9 audit as such. Hopefully I will get back to you. Hopefully I try to get section B also. Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care.